Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This one's all about the RX-5 Turbo, the 250. Get a lot of questions about the car and the process of how it needs to be built, so we thought we'd try and answer them all in one video for you. So essentially you'll need the full turbo package. That's obviously the turbo. It's an intercooler system with the radiator, it's an upgraded fan. You also get the manifold, the turbo itself, and an actuator. However, you do need to have the sump shortened and the turbo return oil feed put in. This is all a service that we can do for you. It's very simple to fit, all comes as a package, and the manual is about to be updated to add that in as well. So it's all going to be in the updated manual. There's a lot of room in the engine bay to work with it. It's not the hardest thing in the world to do. It should be now a step-by-step guide to do it. Yes, you can use the VVT option. We try and push people towards the Mark II, as it's a little bit stronger in terms of the internals and the rods. However, the VVT, the 2.5, is doable. So you're adding about 100 horsepower. You're adding very little weight, so your power to weight ratio is going to be very, very different. You've got about 200 newton meters of torque. It's a very smooth linear feed. It's a lot of power difference. So if you're trying to go for the 250 kit straight away when you're building your car, it is IVA compliant. We've not had too many issues in terms of the noise. It seems to pass first time with no problems at all. And as for mileage, it's not too bad. This car's got 67,000 miles on it. It's a bit of a peach, bit of a good find, but we've got a turbo car with 126,000 miles on it. The engines are spot on. They're good, they're hard, and they will take the abuse you give them. Now here's the important one. Oh, she's excited. The car's completely reborn. So much more power, and it's so pleasant to drive. Feel like you need an asthma every time you're driving it, and it's impossible not to indulge yourself in that noise. I mean, let's be honest, these cars are toys, aren't they? You're indulging yourself in that childhood fantasy of having a race car, and this is a race car. Yes, I love the 140. I really do. But this is so addictive. Oh my God. That's it for the driving part of the video. Just want to say thanks again to Ollie for lending this car for the day. It's absolutely incredible. I hope you get about as much enjoyment from it as I did. So if you want to get involved in the kit car scene and start your journey of building one of our cars, or for us to build it here for you, get in touch with the contact details below. We can help specify a bespoke build for you, help with all the questions you might have. There's tons of options to choose from for all the kits we offer. It might come down to maybe a Zoom call if you're abroad or something like that, but we can help with any questions you might have. We're hosting what could be the last open day of the year on October 1st. If you want to come down, meet the team, see some of the cars, talk to some of the owners and builders here, that'd be brilliant. If you'd like to see some more of the content from us, please follow us and subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoy yourselves.